March, Jack Ely. Don't get upset. I'm not here to hurt you.
Look away.
You know there's a mirror here, right?
What do you want?
A couple of people say you're a pretty good detective.
That's a lot of blood.
I want you to help me with this case.
My profession's very complicated. It's very nuanced. Well, look who decided to show up for class. This is a high-profile case. You seen this girl? Name's Amelia.
What's in it for me?
We can do this the easy way.
Ow!
We're currently doing it the easy way.
Dad, there's like whores here and stuff.
Sweetheart, how many times have I told you, don't say and stuff. Just say, Dad, there are whores here. Where are you going?
I think this is gonna work better if we split up.
Wow, that's really insensitive.
Amelia, run!
You were in the pool? Yeah. Why? I had to question the mermaids. What were you doing while I was working? Why do you think everyone involved in this case is dying?
The mob is trying to spread its operation to Los Angeles.
Gun! Gun! Shit!
Where is Amelia?
She's dead.
What do you think she's dead?
You don't know!
Amelia.
Promise me you'll get them.
Yeah, I promise.
Pinky promise?
March! March!
Before we go solving the crime of the century, let's deal with the rotting corpse.
Run.
Weapons on the floor.
This is not you. You're not a murderer.
She killed 3 people.
I'm saying deep down. I think I'm invincible. I don't think I can die. Let me.
It's not the smart idea. March, march, march!
You're the world's worst detectives.
Got a cool head, though. I made your head small because I know you're sensitive about how big it is.
Yeah.
Rated R. In theaters May 20th.